I hope this time it works.
Hopefully, we can say. So,
Fingers crossed.
uh, let's start from the beginning. You spoke about recovering from COVID and how you uh, got time to introspect and look within. So, talk about that.
Uh, First of all, I think I've never gotten this much of rest at a stretch in my entire life. I've never taken this much of off. So I think plus points, I would say I got my rest. I gave my body
Hmm.
ample amount of time to recover and rest, and it gave me a lot of time to introspect my strengths, my weaknesses, the way the journey has been, and I think I think it's been a pretty eye opener for me, especially because the day I came out, I already had a plan to actually how to go about it with with mostly like 2.5 months to actually practice. So I think positives that I had time to introspect and everything, and I was touch wood, I was very lucky that my family was safe and sound, and I was the only one that was infected. So I thank God
Hmm.
every day for that. And my heart goes out to everybody out there. It's tough times, tough situations, but I think it's just everybody just needs to know that you have to just stay calm and take care of yourselves and your loved ones. It's a downward graph, and the graph it's a graph, so it's going to go down and then it's going to come up. So you got to start waiting. You got to keep seeing that other end of the room where you're seeing the graph starting to go up. That's how I went through my whole isolation.
So, how are you? Are you feeling fully fit, or you still kind of easy?
I'm perfectly fine, sir. I'm perfectly fit. I'm perfectly fine. I've started my workouts at home, and
Hmm.
I've been lucky that the ATS Golf Meadows, which is very close to my
Hmm.
house, it's I won't say it's functional. It's fully, but I can go and I can go and do some short game, and I can hit my mid irons. So
Hmm.
I've been in touch for the past 2 weeks now. So I'm getting back slowly. Golf wise, I've been really focusing on my physical fitness post COVID because I felt the need to. Um, it was just a reset for me, so I felt the need to just start working again on my stamina, on my strength, on my fitness. Because I think for an athlete, his body is the most important. Uh, his body is the most important wealth that he can have. If I'm fit, if I'm physically fit, I can achieve whatever I think of, whatever I dream of.
Right. Yuvraj, are you on Wi-Fi or 4G?
I'm on 4G, sir. Wi-Fi has a little bit of lag.
Hmm, there is. Okay, we'll now talk about your career so far, the professional run on the PGTI. So it's been a pretty impressive run. Last year, or rather 2019, you won twice on the feeder tour, three top
So
tens on the main four top tens. So talk about the learnings more than the strong finishings that you've recorded. The learnings.
So I turned pro 2018 December, and ever since that, it's been a different ball game altogether. I mean, I as an amateur used to think that pro golf is easier, pro golf is much more smoother. It's more like a sail through. But once you actually step into these shoes, you have to work equally harder as a junior, be it an amateur, be it a professional golfer. You have to work equally hard. So that realization happened, I would say, close to the midway of my rookie year, which was 2019.
Mm.
I The learning when I missed two cuts in 2019. I still remember there were Noida and Pune, and these. I mean, I didn't play bad, but these events, these rounds of golf, they taught me so much about managing myself on the golf course rather than the game. And it's just it's just it's just a beautiful way to learn this way, that you still have an event to look forward to. So I think that way all golfers are pretty lucky that even if they play bad in an event, they get to learn so much out of it that they can learn about that, they can practice and preach, and then they can use. I feel that way we're pretty lucky. Those were 2 weeks that really made me think, made me feel that pro golf is not easy. Pro golf is not it's not a walk. It's not a walk in the park. I started working harder. I started working harder on my work ethic, I would say. I didn't start working harder, as in I didn't start putting in more hours. I just started working on my work ethic. So I think that is one thing that I've really learned from the transition from an amateur to a professional golfer, that the cleaner, the smarter, the sexy the work ethic, I think the better you are there on top. And I have had really good players that I've been speaking to recently, in Ajitish Sandhu,